Hi everyone over there at Spennato Family Roofing. Um, I just wanted to touch base again. I know you had asked for some feedback on your website once you completed it, and I just checked on it and I see that you have completed it. Um, it actually looks pretty good. Um, One thing I want to mention is that it would be great to have a location page, just showing the locations that you service, or a page for each other location that you service. This is so that Google can, once again find you relevant for those services. I mean, sorry, those locations. Your service page, I would definitely increase the amount of text um, for each service, capturing the kind of keywords that people would be typing into Google to look for your services. For example, install and replace seamless gutters in Philadelphia, or best seamless gutters Philadelphia. I'm sure those are search terms that people are looking for, and I'm gonna go into them. But just as a run through, I'm still gonna give you the same recommendations: content, citations, and backlinks. Um, Again, to be optimal with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that shows, exactly who you are, what you do, locations you serve, exact services you give on your front page. This is so that Google can start putting your front page in front of relevant searches. With the back pages, like the service pages or the landing pages, I would actually try and have a page for each service if possible. But if you don't have that many services, you can put them on the front on the same page so that you'll have more text. That page will start to rank up in Google, will start to catch it for the services and the locations that you put on it. Definitely between 500 to 1,000 words of text for those location pages and service pages. So I think that you have quite a bit of just rewriting text. Now, I know a lot of business owners do not like to have a lot of text on their website, but in reality, not a lot of people read all the text on your website. It's more or less for Google to be able to understand your relevancy. So a lot of bots. And again, your pictures as well, I'll definitely save them as a like here, this image here. I'd save them with keywords instead of seamless gutters. I would definitely put something like in Philadelphia. In Philadelphia. I'd change. I would definitely change how you save your images to keywords and location specific keywords. Like this is just stock photo little baby S feet. I'm not sure why that was named like that. Let's see, images, skylight insulation, Shupler roofing. So definitely look at what you're saving your images as, and increase the amount of text. Again, your roofing, say roofing company, Philadelphia. Again, citations have to do with this map pack area here. And just to reiterate, to get higher and higher in citations, and sorry, in this map pack has a lot to do with citations. Citations are where your name, address, and phone number appear in different directories online, including directories like Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnos, Superpages.com, YellowPages.com, etc. There are tools out there. You can look at your competition and find out what citations they have. A tool like whitespark.ca or Bright Local, and you can make sure you're matching them in citations. Not only that, you want to beat them by 50 or 100. So I'll definitely do that. And then I'd look at like to rank higher in the organic listing section, which is below the map pack. I'd definitely work on my backlinks. Now, backlinks, like I said before in the previous video, are when a different website is linking to your website, directing traffic to you. So not all backlinks are the same. If it's a Pizza Hut that's linking to you, it's very different from if it's maybe a conference on contractors, a general contracting forum in Philadelphia that's linking to you. And Google does tell if you have spammy backlinks that aren't, in line with your niche. It'll tell if you're as relevant by your backlink profile, basically. And just to look at your profile, I use the tool called Ahrefs. I can tell, for example, here, let's go to the tool itself. And I know it's a young website. We'll see the age of the website, at least the domain name. Your domain name has been there for a while. That's true, but I know the website is new. You only have 44 backlinks from 8 domains, and Google isn't yet catching you for any keywords. Let's take that keyword I put, roofing company Philadelphia. Oops. And let's put it into the tool, because I want to show you what kind of opportunities are available. 50 people look for that every month. And let's see who's getting most of the traffic. Philly's Finest Roofing. You could see they're number 1 here in the search. So I would definitely have someone go into their website, analyze it, use whatever tools they use to analyze it. You can see these guys have about 100 backlinks from 31 domains. And just one last thing I want to see. Yeah, the strength, the trust rating is 22, and like the strength of the domain is only 2. And then Google is catching them for about 700 keywords. So definitely these are the opportunities that are available to you. There are about 400 people searching for roofing Philadelphia. They get 152 to their site because they're in the first position. There's 700 people who search for roofers Philadelphia. So these are the kind of keywords I would highest volume, easiest to beat the keyword difficulty. And I would definitely start targeting these keywords, have them on your site, because you can see that there's a high volume searching per month, and your competition is getting quite a bit of those. This is the kind of traffic I'm sure you'd like to see coming to you organically without having to pay for leads, Angie's List or Home Advisor, etc. So with those 3 things, content, citations, adding backlinks, and making sure that your content includes high-ranking keywords and your backlinks, also anchor with a few of these keywords on your site, you'll be able to start grabbing a lot of this traffic available to you that you can see here. I just want to explore a little bit. With this tool, you can get search suggestions and matching terms, and then find out ways to actually roofing companies Philadelphia, roofing contractors Philadelphia. Find out ways to include this within your text so that Google starts to really recognize you and put you in front of these searches, and there's tons of volume available actually. CPC is cost per click, so this is just an average of how much they're spending per click for ad for either Google a PPC, a clickable ad. And I can tell within your niche and also location Philadelphia, where I am also, it's pretty expensive. So I'll definitely, instead of working on Google ads if you don't have the budget right now, I'll definitely work on search engine optimization so that in a few months, depending on the keyword difficulty, in a few months to, probably from 6 to 12 months, you'll start to be on the first page, as opposed to not even being ranked by Google for any keyword. All right, thank you very much. I just wanted to give you these recommendations. Take them, give them to your SEO or even your website person who's done your website. Start to get more traffic in. If I have more tricks up my sleeve, so if you'd like to work together, please don't hesitate to contact me, and we can have a discussion, and I can lay out a good plan that can bring you for free. I'll lay out a plan for free that after a good discussion, so I can do some research, but a plan that can give you more clients coming to you organically. Thank you very much, and have a great day.